Awesome. So let's move on now. And right now, I have to tell you now this presentation is starting to look a little good, right? So now you can even, I want to show you the font changes now. You can just choose the text here and change the font of your choice. Whatever font you would like to, apply to that particular slide can be done, right? There are lots of fonts that are available throughout, right? You'll be able to change the line height, you'll be able to reduce the line height, you'll be able to increase the font size to the max that you want, right? You want to make it really big, you want to make it really appealing to make it really small. You can go ahead and do that, right? You want to make it center align, you want to make it right align, you want to make it left align. That also can be done. Bold can be done. You can make the font bold just like PowerPoint would do. You can change the colors also if you would like it, right? This yellow thing looks really cool and on a blue background, right, on black shade, right? And here you'll also be able to do a lot of things. Now this send to back option, everything is there, so whatever the PowerPoint would have it, right, you'll be able to use all the stuff but in a cloud-based software in Slidebot. You can even group it, you can ungroup it, right? And still you'll be able to send to back, bring to front, send backward, bring forward. All this stuff can be done, and just like how a PowerPoint would do it. And there's something called as flip object. Suppose you would want to flip the objects, you want to flip a shape. So typically I take this Apple logo, right? So I want to flip it now. Let's see what I can do with it, right? So I just bring it here. Okay, I just bring it here, and then I would have to just give me a moment. I'll have to click on the flip horizontal, so the Apple half cut logo is now flipped, and now it's flipped the other side also. So you understood my point, right? You can flip the shapes. You can flip. It works very good for shapes, and you can flip the logos, whatever it is, the icons, right? And you can go ahead and do that, and then right, you'll be able to play with the transparency. This is a transparency a point of that image. You'll be able to play with that also, and you can put it somewhere else. You want to delete it, you can delete the selection or delete the slide itself. Okay, I don't want to delete the slide. Let delete the selection. Okay, and then you will be able to change the slide dimensions also. You want to change it to standard size, or you would like to change it to a widescreen size. Remember there is options while you started off the slide, whether you want a widescreen or whether you would like to have this as a standard size, right? And then everything is done. Now click on export. You can export it as a PDF, or you can export it as a JPEG. You will be able to export it as a PowerPoint non-editable format, which cannot be edited, or you can export it in the slide range of 1 or 2 to 10 or whatever it is, right? And then you can click on the start export. You can even export to PowerPoint, which is editable. So this is a PowerPoint which is editable, and then click on this amazing button, and boom guys, it's exporting the presentation, and this has been entirely created with artificial intelligence technology. It is able to match the content with the images, and then you are able to play around with that, right? All this amazing stuff is the power of artificial intelligence, right? Because PowerPoint cannot do it. You'll have to get separate images separately. You'll have to get the text done, and then you'll have to do all this stuff, right? So this is a future, guys. Now we got a PowerPoint presentation here, and then you can just click on that and make any more slide transitions and changes, which I'll show you soon how to do that. Maybe in the next video I'll show you that. Okay, and then you can play around with the slides still, and before you can even take the tour of this program by click on this, right? That Slidebot tour is amazing. I've used it a lot of times. It'll tell you say what kind of say how do you proceed ahead with whatever stuff it is going to tell you. Okay, see you in the next video, guys, and next video we'll do the PowerPoint transition stuff.